Well, welcome back, Office Executives. In this particular example on how to use ChatGPT with Excel, I will be having a column named mobile, and this mobile in this particular cells, all of these cells, the user will be restricted to insert a value which should be 10 digits. So how to do so? So what should I be doing? Let me just move to ChatGPT and write how can I restrict an user from entering any value less than 10 digit and also numeric in cell H2. Generate an Excel formula for the same. Let's see what ChatGPT has to offer. To restrict cell data, okay, only numeric values are allowed. The numbers must be at least 10 digit long. You should use data validation. So is number H2 and H2 is greater than 10 digit but less than, okay. So let me copy the code and go move to Excel and apply the formula in here. Data validation from any value to custom, whatever it was, whatever ChatGPT suggested. Let me control V and give an error alert, that warning. And error alert should be that phone number should be 10 digit long, 10 digit long. Let's see. Okay, so let me type Q, give an error alert, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Okay, it's accepting. So instead of using this formula, if we have a basic understanding of uh, how Excel works, we can just redefine this particular prompt. Any value, from entering any value less than 10 digit. So instead of writing any value less than 10 digit, entering any value having length of 10 digit. Let's see what if the having any value having length of 10 digit. Let's see what now ChatGPT populates the okay. To restrict a user from entering not and its number lane, okay. To restrict a user from entering a 10 digit numeric value in cell H2, use data validation from from entering 10 digit. Okay, so how can I restrict an user from entering, not from, let me just redefine the prompt. How can I restrict user from entering any value other than having length of 10 digit. So it is giving and its number. So what ChatGPT earlier suggested was something like this. It was giving an suggestion of for this cell, for this particular cell it was suggesting, and it was not using the length function. So I said that the phone number should be 10 digit long, and it just populated this particular result and it concatenated with and. Now I redefine my prompt. So as I already know that there is a length function in ChatGPT, or maybe I can count the length of the phone number. So how can I restrict an user from entering any value other than having length of 10 digit? So I use the word here length, and this particular keyword just changed the formula which it was suggesting earlier. So I can easily copy this code. So there is no way I can go back. So let me press back button, or maybe okay. So this is the prompt. Let me press back button. No, so there is no way I can I edited the prompt, so I won't be able to do that what prompt I used earlier. So what I'll be doing is that I'll be going to the data validation, and instead of using this formula, I'll be just pasting in the formula which I have just copied, control V. So this is the new formula and the error alert is the same. Now let me drag all the way across to the down, so that this particular custom validation is applied on the rest of the cells below it. So let me try on any cell. So I'll be giving here BHU, so that's an error. But if I give in just 9 digit 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, it's also giving an it's still giving an error. So if I give 0 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1, so it's 10 digit long. So it shouldn't start with 0, that's another thing. So if I start with 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1, yeah, it's taking. So as I've already, okay, so that prompt has also gone. So what prompt I had used, let me move, click on forward. So here is the prompt, that how can I restrict an user from entering any value other than having length of 10 digit and also numeric in cell H2. So I used this special keyword length, and what I was earlier using. So here is a 3 out of 3. Let me click here and here. What in the first instance I was using this prompt, that how can I restrict an user from entering any value less than 10 digit, any value less than 10 digits. So I was using just less than 10 digit, but later on I just redefined this 10 digit as a lane. In the third prompt here, it is showing that from any value other than having length of 10 digit. So I use the word length, and ChatGPT just redefined its formula, and it is now giving and lane is number, and is number lane h2 equal to 10. So instead of using that value from 1000, from 1 followed by 9 zeros to 9 followed by 8 nines, so that is the range. So that's another example of how you can use ChatGPT in this particular problem set scenario, that for the mobile number the phone number should be of 10 digit. We'll be looking at some other examples of how you can use ChatGPT with Excel. That's all for this video. Thank you all guys, and happy coding.